Welcome to our channel where we unravel the best travel banking solutions. So your adventures never skip a beat. Welcome to our channel where we unravel the best travel banking solutions. So your adventures never skip a beat. Traveling abroad can be an incredible experience, but nothing spoils your trip faster than a declined credit card from Chase, especially when you least expect it. Let me guide you step by step on how to fix this issue, so you can enjoy seamless travel without worrying about payment. Problems first step. Before you even leave home, always notify Chase of your travel plans, either through their app, website, or customer service. This alerts their system you are using the card abroad, preventing automatic flags for suspicious activity. Next, if your card is declined despite the travel notification, check these common reasons: insufficient funds, expired card, or daily spending limits being reached. Sometimes background blocks due to security can occur due to unusual location or merchant type. If you get declined, stay calm and try these solutions. Immediately call Chase customer service using the number on the back of your card or their international phone number. Explain your situation and verify your identity so they can quickly clear any blocks or flags. If phone lines are busy, try their secure online chat or the mobile app for assistance. For urgent short-term fixes, consider using mobile payment apps like Apple Pay or Google Pay linked to your Chase card, which might bypass some merchant constraints. Also have a backup payment method such as another credit card or some local currency handy for emergencies to avoid future declines. Always keep your contact information updated with Chase and check your app notifications regularly. Also consider setting up travel alerts within the Chase app so any suspicious activity sends immediate real-time alerts during your journey. Monitor your spending alerts and card activity through the Chase mobile app to catch potential issues early. In summary, preparation and quick communication with Chase customer service are key to ensuring your credit card works anywhere worldwide. Your Chase card is a powerful travel tool with a little foresight, and these steps you'll be able to resolve declines professionally and quickly. Thanks for staying with us, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel banking tips and tricks.